So, children, Yonamain had her own ideas about marriage. She declared firmly. What she declared? That I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight. So, children, Yonamain, she had her own ideas about own conditions about marriage. What conditions? And she declared that firmly. She declared children here, declared it is the verb and firmly it is the adverb. Okay, firmly means in a forceful, strongful, in a strong manner. She declared that what? I will only marry a man who can beat me in a fair fight. A fair fight means a fight where there is no dishonesty, where there is no impartiality. Okay, the fair, okay, the fight which is played very honestly. In that kind of fight, if somebody beats me, then only I can marry that man. Surprisingly, many young men picked up the challenge and came forward to fight her. Surprisingly, again it is a surprisingly, what happened? Many young men picked up the challenge. Young men, they knew what they knew, that Yonamain was beautiful and she will bring a good fortune with her, good amount of money with her. That's why they accepted the challenge and came forward to have a fight with her. After all, like I said, she was beautiful girl with a fortune. She was a beautiful girl with a fortune. Okay, many wrestlers were eager to win her in a contest of martial arts. Many wrestlers mean children, a person who takes part in wrestling. Okay, like judo, like karate. Okay, they are called wrestlers. They were very eager. Eager means children, they were strongly wanting to win her in a contest of martial arts. Okay, so because they knew that she is a beautiful girl and she will bring good fortune with her. So, okay, so we will move forward. One of the first to ask for her hand was Kojo. Nice name, no children? Kojo. So, all names are Japanese names. Kojo, Bushi, Yonamain. Okay. So, one of the first to ask for her hand was who? Kojo, who was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamain. The children see the adjectives used for Kojo, bigger and stronger. Which degree of comparison? Comparative, that is second degree of comparison. Okay, he is Kojo's means this compared, Kojo is compared with Yonamain. How? That he was actually bigger and stronger than Yonamain. He was so tall and well built that his hands were like shovels and his legs resembled tree trunks. Okay, so it is described now. How was he in appearance? He was so tall and well built. Well built means children, a person having strong, sturdy physique body. Okay, well built. That his hands were like shovels. Now, children, shovel means, I will show you what is shovel. This is shovel, children. Shovel means a tool with a long handle and broad blade, and it is used for moving sand, snow, etc. This is the shovel. Okay, children. So his hands were like shovels, and his legs resembled tree trunks, and his legs were strong like tree trunks. Resembled means it looked like tree trunks. He was such a strong person. Okay, but he played fall. But what? He played fall. Fall means he means his play his the way he played was in a evil manner. He played foul games. Played means he was a wicked person. Okay, his playing was very evil kind of playing. Okay, he was well built, his hands were like shovels, his legs resembled tree trunks, but his playing, the way he played, he was that the manner he was a means his play was very evil, wicked kind of play. Okay, even as Yonamain was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent. What is said? You know, children, before starting off a match or a contest, in cricket, you can see the two captains are standing after the toss. Okay, after the toss, what happens? They shake hands with each other and they wish luck to each other. At the sports also, the players, they wish before starting the match, they wish luck to each other. They say best of luck to each other. They do the handshake, and then the match starts. In the same way, here also in karate, also it is a custom that to bow in front of each other, bowing. Okay, so what happened? Even as Yonaman was bowing to him, because it is a practice, it is a usual practice, customary practice to bow in to one's opponent. Okay, even as Yonaman was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent. Now see, one's opponent. Opponent means children, one who competes or opposes another in a contest. That is the opponent. Opponent team or opponent person who is in front of you. Okay, that is the opponent. So even as Yonamain was bowing to him in the customary sign of respect to one's opponent, he threw a punch at her. What he did? This Kojo, what he did? He threw a punch of her. Yonamain was bowing as a sign of customer, as a customer sign of respect. What this Kojo did? He threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. Okay, this was against the rule, right? So he threw a punch at her, breaking the rules of the game. Jonamain was angry. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully that the unsportive Kojo fell down in a heap. So, Yonaman got angry. So, what she did? She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it powerfully that the unsportive Kojo. Now, see, children, here unsportive Kojo means he was not a fair player. Na? He was not generous player. That is unsportive, not fair or not generous kind of player. Okay, so Kojo, unsportive Kojo, fell down in a heap. Heap means children, it may be an untidy collection of objects placed there. On that, he fell. Okay, and he had to limp away defeated. He had to limp away means he had to walk with that injured leg, because what Kojo did, he she twisted his arm. Okay, so he had to limp away with that injured arm, or injured arm, because she twisted his arm, na? So he had to limp away with twisted injured arm, and he got defeated. Okay, children. So what happened? Yonaman got angry. She caught hold of his arm and twisted it so powerfully that the unsportive Kojo fell down in a heap, and his leg got injured. That's why he had to limp away defeated. Okay, he fell and in a heap. That's why he had to limp away. Means limp away because his leg got injured, and he was declared defeated. Okay, this happened with Kojo. Next paragraph. Many promising young wrestlers tried their hand, but Yonaman defeated them all. So after Kojo, many young promising wrestlers, okay, they tried their hand out. Now see children, promising young wrestlers, promising young, they are the adjectives used for wrestlers. They tried their hand, they tried their luck, but Yonamain defeated them all. Her father was now in despair. Despair means children, he was having no hopes. Okay, there was absence of hope for her father, because Yonamain was defeating the wrestlers who were trying their luck. Young men wanted to, generally what happens children, young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. You know, na children, young men, they wish for, they wish for a girl who could prepare, who would prepare good food for them, wash their clothes, keep their house clean, okay, and take care of them, support their family, take care of their family. Okay, this kind of girls generally young men they wish for. Okay, they need a homely kind of girl. But here, how is Yona mine? She is a well built girl. She is a wrestler. Okay. That's why it was going difficult for the Jonah mind to be get married. Young men wanted to marry girls who would cook and wash and make tea for their husbands. Right, children? Who would marry a girl who enjoyed wrestling? Who would marry a girl who is stronger than them and who is enjoying wrestling? That is a martial art, martial art sport, right? That is wrestling. Okay. So now, what happened next? Bushikyo was just such a man. Bushikyo, again a new name for you. Bushikyo was just such a man. He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. What? What was the name? He had trained under the karate master Sakugawa. He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko. Now, who is Shoko? The king of Yokinawa, to be his personal guard. Okay, he was trained under the karate master of who? Sakugawa, and he proved to be such an expert, means he proved himself to be an expert in karate, that he was recruited means he was selected for that service. Which service? Service of a personal guard. To whom? To Shoko. Who is Shoko? The king of Yokinawa, right? He proved to be such an expert that he was recruited by Shoko, the king of uh, Okinawa, to be his personal guard. Okay, so this is the description about Bushi Kyo. Now you understood which kind of person he was. Means he was a strong person, expert in karate. Now we will see in the next video what will happen between what is going to happen between Bushi, Kyo and Yonamain. Okay, children. Till then, you just read the chapter, go through the new words, and be safe at home. Okay, children. We will meet in the next period.